When it comes to fitting the keep, it's important to get the right height to match with the latch and the deadbolt. So if we put the door to the door frame and mark the top and bottom of latch and deadbolt, that gives us the height. Having got the height, we can then measure from the face of the door to the position of the latch. And that measurement we can mark on the door frame. So from the front marks, we take these across onto the door frame. And with the measurement from the face of the door frame, we can measure back then we know the key will go in that space. Line it up, mark the top and the bottom, top and bottom of the plate there, because we want to make a hole that size. It's important when fitting a fire door key that you don't take more material out than necessary. As of course this is a fire door, we don't want to take a bigger hole than needed. So if you measure the depth of the lock, the latch and the deadbolt, make sure we get the right depth. When you're happy that all works, you can then fit the faceplate onto the door frame. Measure, mark round it and trim it in. I like to put a line down the face, just makes it simple and clean and flat. You see where you're going. Sometimes the wood grain can play tricks on you, and this grain is going inwards, so that's why I keep chipping it from the top. As you'll notice, there's always a bevel round on the faceplate. The faceplate has a curve to it. You have to take a little corner out of the face there. So once I've got the chiseling done, I have a piece of intumescent that goes in the bottom of the lock keep hole. Very important this goes in, so that goes in the bottom. Self-adhesive, sticks in there. I can now put the face plate on, which is very simply, goes in there. Pilot drill my holes. And I tend to put this in with a hand screwdriver. So it's just nice and flush. Nice and flush there. And double check the door works. When that's closed like that, the door should be flush with the door frame, which it is. And make sure the key lock works. And we're good to go to the next step.